What happened on the security monitor now is this happened. That's a real bullet. Block a real bullet with the heavenly good boy hell. I wanted to call it the heavenly good boy. Bam! Hit Eminem cross-eyed. Eminem's like a 500-year-old baby. He's in that KKK shit. Did you kill Shaw, Eminem? Take a good look at Shaw, see what he says. Yep, he was killed by the KKK. Pound him, pound him, pound him. We're pounding people all night because he became a huge Barack. Man, that really gets the muscles going saying that word, doesn't it? Barack. They said throw this thing out for $1 million, but this thing's important. See, I'll show you why. You take care of your baby, you spoon your baby, they say Ray spoon baby, play with baby, and then the baby gets manjata rated. And then when the baby gets manjata rated, that's why this thing's so safe and I don't want anyone to steal it. And the baby gets manjata rated. She runs over with big flopping titties. She runs over with big flopping titties, presses the emergency button on the thing, which is like right there or something. Both those buttons are the emergency buttons. She calls the number. This turns into a phone. It gets unbaby jamatomated. And she gets her baby back, scans baby. Oh, not real baby. She just scanned her baby. This is a Justin A-Rad baby. And there's Justin Amen, A Arietta, sperm-infected Eminem spirit baby. That Justin Arietta is. Half Justin, half Eminem, because he infected the baby. That's the right baby. That's why he knows he needs the spirit, because he's pretty crazy. That's why this thing's so important. It unmodulates everything. Now plug it in the right way. I love this thing. Talks to you. It says, is there emergency? Oh, well, girl, you got an emergency. Baby, Majitate, baby, Majitate. That's why this thing is so important. Baby, Majitate.